one important thing, that DUS test is there. In India, it is very mandatory when you are doing the registration under this particular act. Distinctiveness, uniformity and stability is a very, very important. What is the meaning of that? Distinctiveness, obviously, again, as all IPs, it should be completely new in comparatively whatever available now. Uniformity should be there, that production whenever you are kind of doing that generation after generation, that product, that qualities will be exhibited, stability will be there, that qualities will be exhibited by that particular variety. Okay. So, that is very important when we are talking about a distinctiveness, uniformity and then the stability should be there. So, it should not be the situation that 3 generation it has given the result, after 3 generations seed is not giving the result, that kind of variety, that is not expected, and such kind of like seeds, they will not get protection under this particular act. Okay.